こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my 2 girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today's theme is this. Can you guess what it is? This is Okara. Okara is a soybean pulp, which is the leftover making tofu or soy milk. So in Japan, there are so many local tofu shop. So they make house tofu, their own house tofu, and then when they have a okara or leftover soy pulp, they kind of give away or sell for very low price. And in the United States, where I live in Southern California, there are many Japanese grocery stores, and they have a tofu place too. So they sell okara. Lucky us. So for some people, it's hard to get okara, and okara is very nutritious. Lots of fiber, protein, and vitamins. So it's good for diet. You have good digestion after eating okara. And you can use okara for many things like baking. You can bake donuts or cookies, and you can make a main dish or side dishes too. But today I'm gonna create 2 dishes using okara as a main ingredient. First one, okara cake. So I'm gonna use a rice cooker and make a very easy, delicious cake. And second one, croquette, okara croquette, using okara, potato, and some vegetables. And hijiki. Hijiki is a Japanese seaweed. We're gonna make very delicious, healthy croquette. So let's see how to prepare 2 okara dishes. To make okara croquette, we need 1 cup of okara, 1 cup of mochiko or rice powder, rice flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of carrot, peeled and grated. I use the food processor instead of grating with hand, and 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of milk or soy milk or coconut milk, and 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. I use the olive oil. And place okara in a large bowl and spread. Using your hands, spread it out. It's chunky, so spread it out and add all ingredients. So carrot, grated carrots, brown sugar, 2 eggs, quarter cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of honey, three tablespoons of cooking oil. I use the olive oil. And 1 cup of rice powder, rice flour or mochiko, and mix very well. And using the kitchen paper, spread some oil over the rice cooker, and place the okara mixture, and try to flat it out. And we're gonna cook twice with rice cooker. First, cake mode, and second, rice mode. Cook twice. And if you don't have cake mode, twice with white rice mode. Once you cook twice, it's ready. So take out of the rice cooker and let it cool at room temperature in a container. And once it's cool, it's ready to serve. Remove out of the container and cut into maybe 8 pieces, and it's ready to serve. Now let's make okara croquette. To make 8 okara croquette, you need 1 cup of okara, 3 potatoes, and I use the Yukon Gold today, and 1 tablespoon of hijiki, 1 tablespoon of Japanese barbecue sauce, yakiniku no tare, 1 tablespoon of soba tsuyu base, and some panko, breadcrumb, egg, and flour. And for potato, we're gonna microwave potato for about 5 minutes, and please check with a toothpick if it goes through. It's nice and soft and goes through, it's ready. And for hijiki, place 1 tablespoon of hijiki in a water and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and it will expand. And in a large bowl, peel the skin with a kitchen paper. Make sure you don't burn yourself. It's hot. And remove the skin. And using masher or a big spoon, wooden spoon, smash or mash the potato. Heat the fry pan and then use the medium heat. Place the okara and saute. And the purpose is to remove the excess water of okara. So over the medium heat fry pan, kind of saute the okara. Until okara gets dry and separated. Add some hijiki. Hijiki you soak in water for 5 to 10 minutes and drain water. And add hijiki and saute some more. And add 1/3 cup of frozen pea. This is optional. I like peas, so I add 1/3 cup of frozen pea, and then saute some more. And this part I forgot to turn on the video and missed some part. But in a large bowl, place mashed potato and add the rest of the ingredients, hijiki mixture, okara mixture, and add 1 tablespoon of Japanese barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of Japanese barbecue sauce, yakiniku no tare, and 1 tablespoon of soba tsuyu base. And then mix well. And add salt and pepper too, and mix very well. And we divide the mixture into 8 portions and make a bowl. Shaping is up to you because everything is cooked already. So shaping, it's your choice. I like a flat one, so make an oval shape and make it flat it out. And then we're gonna coat okara bowl with flour and make sure dust off the excess flour, and then coat with egg mixture, and then at the end with bread flour, Japanese bread flour panko, and then over the medium heat we're gonna deep fry until the coating gets golden brown. And okara croquette is ready to serve. Miso soup, rice and salad, some furikake, and croquette. And I like serving my croquette with okonomiyaki sauce, but normally you use the tonkatsu sauce, and it's up to you. And okara croquette is ready to serve. Delicious, healthy meal.